Does this really work? We're about to find out.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made them assumptions, clearly not your forte. You was gonna show I started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars.
I saw this online a few days ago and I decided to get it. So I'm here to do a review / trial on this. Let's see how effective it is. Hi, my name is Pierre and you are welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And so let's get into this video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to connect this to power. Don't know if you can see. So I'm just going to wait for this to heat up, and while waiting, let's see what we can read about this. Straight comb. Okay, it's written in different languages. Power indicator, which is this. Temperature control, 140 to 210 degrees. Yeah. Then for all hair types, PTC heater with fast heat up, super hair curler styles, never stick to the hair. Okay, let's see. Does this really work? We're about to find out. Is this going to straighten this fussy hair? We are about to find out. Okay. I think it's hot enough, right? Nothing has changed yet. Still hoping. Okay, this is taking longer than expected, but let's see. Let me reduce the quantity of the hair and try again. Okay, so this is it after how many minutes? I'll check that and confirm. But did this hair straightener understood the assignment? I think yes. On the scale of 1 to 10, I would say 7. Yeah. That's because it took a lot of time, and I think it will work faster if your hair is dry. On the ads, most of the people I saw using it were like straight hair. I mean like the Caucasians, yes. And maybe not type 4C hair, maybe like 4B or so. But with our 4C hair, you definitely need patience and a lot of time. Maybe you do this when you're just resting or relaxing, you don't have anything to do. Maybe when you are on Netflix and chill, you can do it while watching a movie and just while away time, because it's going to take a lot of time. So that's what I have to say on this video, and I'm just going to end this video here because if I decide to film everything, show you guys how to stretch the whole hair, it's going to take a lot of time. But this is okay, and I'll say this is really good. There's no heat on my scalp, unlike the normal blow dryer. You know, the heat, no heat is penetrating on my scalp, and nothing is burning my scalp and my skin. And so I'll definitely recommend this. I don't like Easy Life. No, that came out wrong. Not Easy Life. I mean fast. Anything that's fast, no, it's not good. It's not good. Yeah, not good. But this is definitely okay. I'm going to stretch the rest of camera. If you're still yet to subscribe, please leave that fence, come inside, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. And let me tell you guys how I placed the order. I saw the ads on Instagram, so I clicked. It took me to the website, and trying to place the order, the delivery fee was actually free if you're in Lagos, Abuja, and Kaduna or Kano. Yeah, it's actually free. So, and it was paid on delivery. If you're in those 3 cities, pay on delivery. So that was what happened. The dispatch rider brought it, and I paid him the money. No delivery fee, free of charge. And it was 13,000 naira that I got this. So if you're in Nigeria, then you know what 13,000 naira is. Did I say 13 naira? No, 13,000 naira. That's what I got this. That's the amount I spend on this, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, guys. We're on our way to 500, so make that happen soon. Fingers crossed. Hopefully by the end of the week. Fingers crossed. By the end of the week, we will hit that number. We will hit that number. Hopefully. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And so by watching this, how will you rate this? I rated 7 over 10. How will you rate this? I'd like to know that, so leave it in the comments below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.